Okay, so how to clear RAM in Windows? So I'll click on Start menu, type here Task Manager, and hit Enter. So here we need to click on Performance, and let's make this window look bigger. Okay, give me a moment, please. Okay, and we need to navigate to memory section. Here we can see cached 13 gigabytes. It's too much. So I will show you how to fix it. You need to download RAMMap from Microsoft. Simply Google it. You will find this software. So I have downloaded it. Now let's open the folder. If you try to run this program, it will show you that you need to extract all files. So let's create new folder and we'll extract all files there. Okay, new folder created. Now I will move all files. Okay, it's done. Let's close window, and now we can launch program. So let's install this software. So here it is. It's already running, as you can see. It may take some time to load. Okay, now let's move to... Okay, so let me show you how it will work. So here in RAMMap, we need to click on empty and select empty standby list. So standby, what we do not use, and you can see that it start deleting empty files, so cached files. Yeah, it's start lowering. Okay, guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.